just showing y'all how I make my roasted red pepper hummus, right? Super easy, super simple. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I start the chickpeas and how I roasted the red peppers. I roasted the red peppers by cutting up slices of red bell pepper and then I just cut it in threes. And all I did was put the oven on broil, and I put mine on high or whatever. And then I keep it in there. I probably had it in there just till it looks like this, really. So, just taking the skin off. It helps the texture of the hummus when you're done blending it up. And I'm going to use a regular blender. I don't have a food processor at this moment in time, so I'm just going to use a regular blender, and it works just fine. So, yeah, that's all I'm doing right now is just peeling the, I guess you could say burnt part off of the red peppers, the roasted red peppers. Yeah. This is what the red peppers will look like when you're done peeling it. Slightly squeezed, you know, OD. Boop. OD is overdoing it. The boop. I will show you when I am putting everything together in the blender. So I'm just going to use the rest of this juice that was in the can, and I put a little bit of water also. Okay, this is a lot. So I probably won't need any more of liquid. I try to put as much liquid as it is chickpeas in there, so this is pretty much good. So I'm gonna add one of these, you know what I'm saying? I'll just probably just add all of them, why not? So plop those in there, you know? And so I'm gonna use a couple other seasonings. I'm gonna use these crushed red peppers just to add the flavor, you know, add even more flavor of, I'm probably just gonna open it. Add more of the flavor of the red pepper. So, just like a pinch. But, I mean, I'll probably end up adding more as it blends. 2 pinches. I'll probably end up adding more as it blends. And then I just want some cayenne pepper. Mainly just because it's healthy for you. It's good for your body. And I like the spice. So, it's definitely gonna get to that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's really like a dash. And then some garlic powder. Oh, I could add some chopped up garlic. I might do that, but this is all up to your own discretion. So, you know, choices. So you really don't have to add any of these seasonings, and it'll still be perfectly fine. It'll mainly just have that, like that red tint to the hummus if you don't add any seasonings, but adding seasonings, you know, adds more flavor to the hummus. So I'm just gonna cut up some garlic, and then I'm gonna plop that in there. Probably just 1 clove of garlic. Plop that in there, and then I'm gonna start blending it up. So I'm all done blending, and I added some more red pepper flakes, and I ended up adding some paprika also. So I ended up, what else? Oh, and some salt. So all together, all the seasonings I used was cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, salt, a little bit of onion powder, paprika, and I ended up cutting up a clove of garlic. So I believe that's it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time out. Y'all stay up. Y'all stay happy. Y'all stay positive. Just always keep, moving forward, doing what you need to do. Staying focused and progressing. That's all I had to say, though. Peace.